For $200, you can connect to your Veeder-Root TLS-350 automated tank gauge. You're going to need to upgrade your internet connection and also an experienced technician to do the rather complex installation. This adds significantly to the costs of this solution. So now the $200 solution has grown to $800 for your initial cost. And then annually, you're going to be spending $200 to $1,000 a year in order to see your data. The alternative solution is the Kachoolie solution. It's an all-inclusive, plug-and-play solution which doesn't have any hidden costs. You get guaranteed communications, you get unlimited warranty on the Kachoolie hardware, and you get on-call technical support. The Kachoolie solution includes free use of Kachoolie Cloud. This gives you the features of inventory management, environmental compliance reporting, alarming, and more. Whether you have one tank gauge or 100, you can take advantage of the Kachoolie free, no commitment, 30-day trial. Go to kachoolie.com for more information.